situated in the heart of Mindanao, Bukidnon State University.
Central Mindanao Foundation, College of Science and Technology, the pride of the Southern Generation.
Okay, I am 20 years old. I'm from JS Real Estate College.
I am Aryan Meiji Olanda. I am 19 years old from the GHCSC.
Eugene Andre P. Argas, 2 years old, from Northwestern Mindanao State College of Science.
I am Arlene May Laureto, 18 years old, Northwestern Mindanao State College of Science and Technology. I am Maria Christine Iman, 19 years old. I am proud and honored to stand here representing Surigao del Norte State University.
I am Adan Angelo Senior. I'm 21 years old, representing Surigao del Norte State University.
I'm Giovanna Athlete Magsara Villar, 19, taking a Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting at the University of Southern Mindanao.
I'm 20 years old and I'm bringing a message here all the way from the home of the top managers, Cagayan State.
Good morning, everyone. My name is George C. Curry. I am 20 years old. I live in North.
I'm a pure-blooded Maria, the absolute spirit that sets me apart. I am also a nursing student at Doho Orlando State University.
Hi, Mariao. I am Gerald Angelina. I am a third-year Bachelor of Physical Education student of the Oriental State University.
I'm Ferdinand Masando, and we are from the Philippine Normal University Mindanao campus.
I'm 21 years old, also from Philippine Normal University.
Y mi nombre, Carlo Martinez Perez, 21, representante de Western Mindanao State University.
My name is John Lawrence Patal, 18 years old, representing Davao del Sur State College. I am
Representative of Davao del Sur State College. I am Mocha Jimboy Daras Valen, 22 years old. I'm a fourth-year management accounting student in the Rizal Memorial State University.
And I am Cancer Sembriano, and representing Davao del Norte State College, Davao Region.
My name is Angelica Rosa Calga, proudly representing the Center Sur State College, Agriculture and Technology.
And I am representing the Pizzo, and I am from San Luis College of Agriculture.
I am Sean Benedict Banati Bilin. I am 20 years old. I am a third-year nursing student. Proud to represent the academic paradise of South Central Mindanao University.
I am Haano Kainyonan. I am Ayla Aya Soria, 20.
My name is Erika Palanco Lipan. I'm 21 years old.
I guess 23 years old. Also from UST